welcome to my channel. This time we're creating something for Mother's Day. We need lots of flowers and greeneries from Dollar Tree. We need this umbrella, wall sconce. We need lots of ribbons. So let's start it and creating those beautiful bouquet. Previously I added some empty bags inside of the wall sconce, and then I add some green foam, and now I'm trying to arrange the flowers with the greenery. The flower, it's called dahlia. It's in a soft pink color and it's matching perfectly with the arrangements. So now when everything is done, I'm trying to make a bow. I got these ribbons on sale from Hobby Lobby. They were on clearance for, I believe, $1.47 per piece. And they're like a velvet with pearls. Very pretty, like a peach color and pink color. So I'm trying to create a giant bow with the help of the bow maker. And I'm just putting them one by one. And I'm looking at which color is going to look the best, but I think the bumblebee one is going to look the best with all these colors mix-ups. I also have decided to put the extra pink ribbon on the bottom, so I just removed the rest of the bows. And now when they're all done, I'm putting a zip tie to tie it. And now when the bows are done, I'm trying to cut the edges to look nice. You just connect each corner like a triangle and you cut them neatly. I have also added Totally Dazzle Jewel to look more prettier. And here is the final look. I really love it. And I hope you guys like it too. Just a perfect present for Mother's Day. Another great idea for Mother's Day are those transfers on t-shirts. You guys can transfer anything you like. For this one, I choose the Chanel logo, which is my signature. And what I'm doing right now is, with the help of iron, I'm trying to transfer it, and slowly, after I went through all the corners for a couple of minutes, slowly I'm trying to remove the tissue out of the transfer. With another tissue, I'm just ironing on top of it, so make sure that all that transfer is like stretchy and it's safe when we wash it. And here is the final look. For the next DIY, I'm using this wire garden basket from Dollar Tree, and I'm using this wire mesh that I found at Joann's. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to glue the corners just like that. I'm trying to glue it slowly so I don't cut my fingers. for the end of this video, I'm making you one healthy snack. What I'm doing is on top of a stove, I added sesame seeds, medium heat. Then I'm adding some pistachios, trying to warm it up, mix it together so all the aromas can come together. Now I'm adding almonds. Mix it very well for a few seconds. And at the end, I'm adding cashews. Next, I'm mincing 3 tablespoons of dates and honey. When they're all minced, I'm trying to add all the ingredients together, try to mix them. And now when they're all done, I'm putting them on my silicone mold. And we're gonna try to make energy bombs. Once the bombs are done, we are rolling them in minced cashews. And here you go, the energy bombs are ready for a breakfast. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Until next time, lots of love, CeeJ.